The magical wonder leaf neem, 10 ways neem works its magic. Before you decide to spend hundreds of dollars on skincare products and cosmetics, or even get off your couch and walk to the nearest pharmacy, there is a better way to save money with a natural product called neem. Like black cumin, which we love to talk about, neem is another plant that is considered magical by some Asian countries. Neem comes from a plant called Azadirachta indica, also known as Mindtree, or Indian Lilac. Go au natural without parabens and preservatives in your creams. Here are 10 ways neem can work wonders on your skin. 1. Quick exfoliation. Add a little honey to neem powder and apply it to the skin to exfoliate. This keeps your face clean and free from the dirt and grime off the street. Use it as a paste or mask and gently scrub it off after 10 minutes. Wash off with cold water and pat dry. Do this 3 times a week for a month for the best results. 2. Detox with neem. If you are fair-skinned, use neem to create radiant skin. Boil neem leaves, drink half a cup of the juice to help fight microbes and bacteria, and free radicals too. Breaking down free radicals that prevent skin cancer. 3. An early morning snack. You are what you eat, says the old adage, so why not begin with an early morning ritual on an empty stomach, chewing a bunch of fresh neem leaves. In doing so, the blood vessels are purified and natural detoxification happens. Infections are removed from within, which if left unchecked can burst out on the surface as eruptions, pimples, acne, eczema, and other skin ailments. 4. Neem paste to treat scars and blemishes. Grind a cup of neem leaves and add 2 teaspoons of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of lime and honey. Apply the paste on the face for 20 minutes, and do this twice a week. Gently rub the chin and the cheeks in a circular motion and the neck in vertical moves. Wash off with cold water. The antibacterial properties will heal blemishes and scars in no time. 5. Skin ulcers. Did you know that the paste of neem leaves can help reduce the painful effects of skin ulcers? Use the paste of neem to do away with blemishes the holistic way. 6. Aid bites and stings. The oil from neem leaves and its seeds help act to relieve stings and bites, cuts and wounds, nicks and rashes too. 7. Eyebrow dandruff and lice. Sounds disgusting to think about it, but some of us actually suffer from eyebrow dandruff and extra yuck, lice. If left untreated, could leave a ghastly sight in years to come. A teaspoon of neem paste can fix you up. 8. Neem wash. Suffering from chicken pox and worried about the scars? Worry not. Grab a bottle of fresh neem juice extracted from the leaves and mix it in a bucket of water. Wash your face 5 times a day and the scars may go away. 9. Shiny eyebrows and lashes. Neem leaf paste can help keep the eyebrows thick and the lashes thicker should you suffer from thinness. Apply once a day and a month from now you may notice a difference. 10. Remove dark circles around your eyes. A teaspoon of neem paste is all that you need. Chill the paste for an hour in the freezer, and apply it to your eyelids with a cucumber peel on each eye to help cool the zone. Remove in 10 minutes and wash off with cold water. With so many benefits from the Indian lilac or neem plant, we wonder why anyone would spend tons of money on chemical-based products when Mother Nature really has it all.